Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Manychat contacts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to app.manychat.com. After that, sign into your account. After signing in, you'll land on your Manychat dashboard. Next, from the dashboard, navigate to the Home tab located on the left-hand navigation panel. Once there, click on the Contacts section. This is where all your subscriber details are stored. Now that you're in the Contacts section, select the specific contacts you want to export. You can choose individual users, groups, or simply select all contacts if you wish to export the entire list. After selecting your desired contacts, look for the Bulk Actions button and click on it. This option lets you perform multiple actions on your selected contacts simultaneously. From the Bulk Actions menu, choose Export Custom to System field. Once you click that option, the export process will begin, and your contact data will be prepared for download. Manychat will generate a file containing your selected information in a structured format that you can easily import into other systems or tools, such as your CRM, marketing platform, or analytics software. And that's it. So that is how you can export Manychat contacts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.